Hello, it's Mrs. Rossi. I wanted to demonstrate how to highlight in Newsela because I asked you to do it and I didn't show you how. It's actually the same procedure as highlighting with anything else. You're just going to use your trackpad and your two fingers to push down and select. So let me just show you how to do that. So we go here, click on Newsela. It's going to direct you to Newsela. And then I'm going to sign out so that I can show you how to sign in. Oops. All right, so you sign in and I'll go to the article. And again, the landing page for me looks different than it does for you, but because I have a lot of different things. All right, so here's this sweet little article. And here's how you, so I already annotated this. You click on what you want to highlight it, and then you get to select which color. So you go, the media has dubbed him Unicorn Puppy. He's quickly become, so you highlight and you let go after you select, and then it gives you 4 colors to choose from. You'll have your name up here. So you select which color. And then the puppy had some help. Let's highlight this. Let go, gives you 4 colors. I'm going to do yellow just because pretty. And here you can actually write, I love this part. Anyway, so that is how you highlight in Newsela.